Hello everybody, this is Tim for Free Thinkers. I am going to explain you our project statement, ideas that can boost fitness activities and assist in keeping fit, and our project statement code is SM944. The information about the team leaders, team mentors and team members is as follows. Our domain bucket is fitness and sports. So let's get started. The aim is to automate the existing manual system by the help of computerized equipments and full-fledged computer software so that their valuable data and information can be stored for a longer period with easy accessing and manipulation for the same. Basically, the project describes various fitness activities and good performance to assist in keeping fit. To boost fitness activities, we are going to develop a website in which we focusing on very individual and according to their healthy issues, we are ready with their based solutions. We develop personalized fitness plans, better health insights, diets, workout and many more. We also keep the track of all the activities which are given by our website to user day by day. Now let's see the technology stack we are using. Page layout will be designed in HTML and React.js. CSS will be used for all the designing part. All the validation tasks and animations will be developed by JavaScript. For backend, we are using Node.js and all the data will be managed by using MongoDB database. Now we will look into prototype. In this prototype, user get a user-friendly UI which is accessed by admin and also connected to central database. In the database, we are going to store users information about users login credentially. Here is the input-output flow. First of all, we ask user to log in or sign up as a form of input, and we take their physical and mental information like age, height, weight and all necessary data. Now for the output purpose, we are ready with the most suitable plan for personalized issue. In this website, users have to choose their plan accordingly. After this, we are giving some personal information from user according to their health. Now we will provide the ready solution for user for all their basic health issues like weight loss, increase the height, to gain the weight. User can choose the problem and ready to follow best solutions. Now we will focus on the features of our project. We will provide the AI based coach to solve the all problems of users. We will provide the everyday tips and tricks for users. AI based coach will ask about the sleeping schedule and provide solution accordingly. Now we are with our final conclusion. They need to regulate physical and mental health as they are grown more pertinent than ever before. Work from home culture, restrictions on outings, and many more factors have played a catalytic role in realizing this need. Hence, most people have turned downloading fitness and meditation web apps. Thank you.